APHLC to contest on sunrise symbol for Borjan constituency. A sand-laden truck meets with an accident near Deopani Mandir Gate. BJP holds meeting in Rongkhang constituency. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. This is English Prime Time with Margaret Tarangpi. Now the news in details. The All-Party Hills Leader Conference, APHLC, will contest on sunrise symbol for the Borjan constituency in the ensuing Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election to held on June 8. This was informed through a press conference conveyed APHLC Bokojan LEC President Samson Teron in presence of their candidate Martina Inti Katharpi on Tuesday. Briefing the media person, the Bokojan LEC APHLC President Samson Teron informed that the torch symbol was booked by one GSP party before them, due to which they were compelled to choose the sunrise picture or symbol for the ensuing Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election.
Non kilik te bokhelo posin iltum la symbol alam pinangan kimang hutum dokok kopia posi ajaha kalong ke torchlight la pen pinangan dim long ke arni polason hedi ho tasila alap the bangke la hello la GSP po party to ambang registration claim der amanili tum ambang registration bangke panglen dun cara masin ili tum ambang symbol bang asap so katur adudun ko pinangan alang tum a candidate ke place adim long an bangke nili tum bangke long dun det po dami alang tum candidate ke place play dim an bangke tosla symbol se chilong tuet da ka bangke Bokajan LA bangke Borjana long inut apen Deopani long inut bahini do latu amasila da ka bangke nilitum bangke arnia symbol bangsi kenang ko.
The Bokajan LEC APHLC president also condemned the BJP for ransacking and destroying APHLC office inside the Bitung Rengthama MEC constituency. He further requested the Deputy Commissioner, SP and SDO to initiate measures to prevent occurrence of such situation and reminded of court's order to jail any person if any party or individuals are discriminated while carrying out their official election duty.
Atima song atum jasimet ariga chilung tang tumta non ki padusia bangke BJP atum latum handa chubai jaramasi itum khai lejong si reng nang ji pulo tang te APHLC long nang chitodun et nang fokusi ke dam tang jai ka thar along tami haladapta alang tum mass joining do damlo peace unity development puke thom chane thelong ke koson si development ke long un po ili tuma an wan jong si kapre ka party tu nang tipon la pulo tang te de lasi electoral roll jong si thanlong le pulo tang te development ke bang taun elo lapen ningkang sam mon sam na do ne lo lapen ilitum ching thu down ne lo kar bitunge lasi sik shidula teng pen la APHLC phan pi haisi ing long arat akiduga kisung ake boy lapen hemprek jasemet autonomous state akar ianta APHLC highlote litum APHLC pen claim pon fokusi herang kya thengno klardak pen litum lam ti paklam.
Vijoy Rongpi's report from Dilay, Karbi Anglong Live. Truck carrying sand met with an accident on Tuesday, causing heavy damage to the vehicle. Here is a report. The incident happened at around 12 noon along the NH39 near the entrance gate to Deopani Temple. Onlookers said that the truck bearing number AS09AC9337 was coming at a great speed. As a driving lost control on the wheels, its first hit a Tata Magic vehicle with registration number AS05AC2209 and then fell upon 3 bikes parked on the roadside. A shop also suffered huge damage in the accident. Immediately, the police personnel from Borpathar police station rushed to the spot to take stock of the situation. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident.
Discover hum bangke kampar ka cingko bab ti grup lo lapen humni bangke sangsi or kon ceklo stame labang ulai pong
Subhas Terang's report from Langchiting, Karbi Anglong Live. The BJP party had on Tuesday held a campaign meeting to woo voters' support for their Rongkhang candidate Long Bison Bay. The meeting was held at Rongkurui Playground and Doloni. The meeting were attended by MP Horen Singh Bay and Assam Minister Piyush Hazarika as guests. Addressing the gathering, Horen Singh Bay said that if BJP wins from Rongkhang, the party will work to ensure that every government schemes, including Arunodoi, reaches to the rightful beneficiaries. He also promised for more development in the area.
গতিকে এনেকুৱা কাম ৰংখাংবাহী ৰাইজে নকৰে মোৰ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশ্বাস আছে 5 বছৰ আগতে এইখন সভাতে আমি মিটিং পাতিছিলো আজিৰ নিচিনা সেই তেতিয়া বহুত ৰাইজ গোট খাইছে আৰু মই আশা কৰিছো অহা 8 তাৰিখে যিটো নিৰ্বাচন হ'ব এই নিৰ্বাচনত ভাৰতীয় জনতা পাৰ্টিৰ 5 নং ৰংখাঙৰ পৰা লং বিচন বেডাঙৰে কাৰণে পাৰ্টিটো প্ৰদান কৰিছে গতিকে 8 তাৰিখে আপোনালোকৰ বহুমূলীয়া ভোটটো পদুমভূলৰ
Minister Piyush Hazarika also assured to provide better roads, safe drinking water, proper electricity, construct bridges and do other development and works for the welfare of Rongkhang. Both the BJP leaders had appealed the people present to cast votes in favor of their candidate Long Bison Bay.
আপোনালোকে দলংখন লিখি দিয়ক 2 মাহত দলঙৰ কাম আৰম্ভ কৰিম মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীয়ে মানে এতিয়া ফোন কৰিব যে ৰংখাঙত দলং লাগে নাচি নাচি কৈছে দলং লাগে দলং দিয়ে দিম দলং হৈ যাব আপোনালোকক মই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছোঁ.
Hundreds of locals gathered in the meeting to see the minister and also show support to the Saffron party. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.